Here we are on the final video number 5 of the second webinar series on critical thinking, and I am Tanya Driscoll. Okay, easy idea, reflection. You typically think of these as a ticket out. It's a very quick, brief type of thing. Any lesson can end with a reflection, okay? So you have students write about how did it go for you? How did this lesson go? You feeling good? You feeling bad? How'd the lab go? What do you wish we would have done differently? What do you wish we would do more of? What are your top 3 takeaways from the lesson? And you don't always have to have kids write these down. You can just throw this out there okay, today your ticket out is that 3 students at random are going to tell me their favorite thing about the lesson. And it has to be meaningful. And then you give them, a few minutes of think time here. And maybe some of them are going to write some notes. And then you just randomly call on 3 different students and maybe more until you get 3 really good, deep ideas. So it doesn't always have to be written. It can just be a verbal response, but it's important that you do not let the students know who is going to be chosen. You could even say it's one person from each group. I'm going to pick one person so at least they know, maybe have it narrowed down. But yeah, if they know who it is, of course, only those students are going to do the reflection. But it's a great way to get them to think about their thinking and to think about learning and really just to summarize what has happened. It's kind of like that circling back. Some people call it putting the bow on the lesson, tying the bow, that ending piece that just allows them to think about what they're learning. Okay, so that was our final idea. I hope you have lots of ideas now to use in your classroom, and you can get those kids doing some more critical thinking, and your classroom is going to run so smooth. You're going to be shocked you haven't done this sooner.